Welcome to another episode of The Big Leap from Mirae Asset. It's our pleasure to have with us Mr. P. Shanti Raj. He is one of the four partners, or rather, I would say, four friends who came together and created a firm called as Whole Life Financial Services in Hyderabad. It's now almost a 16-year-old setup, which has been into financial products, predominantly mutual funds, for the last so many years, managing investments for more than now 500 plus families based in Hyderabad and across the world. So, welcome, Mr. Shantiraj, to the Big Leap. Thank you for taking out time for being with us today. We have been seeing the growth of whole life financial services for such a long time, and we would really start with you talking about how this whole journey began.
Thank you, Mayank, for a great introduction. Our journey started way back in 2004 at Whole Life, but prior to that, after completing my MBA, personally I joined one national distribution company, and from there, we found our present partners, and we have partnered together and started this particular journey in 2004. So, the intention of mainly starting this particular company, germinated way back when I was studying my MBA, and predominantly, I wanted to become an entrepreneur, and that has ignited us to start this particular journey. So, in particular, I was fascinated with the mutual fund industry, and before knowing the mutual fund industry, I used to study the stock market, the capital markets, and all. Unfortunately, I got an opportunity to join a national distribution company wherein I learned everything over there, and from there, we partnered and we floated this particular company. Yeah.
Lovely. So, when four people come together, it's a synergy of all energy in the office. But how did you come together and how did you get your initial clients? Because talk to any distributor, everybody talks about that getting the initial clients is one of the toughest part when you're starting.
See, we are fortunate enough to have this four-member team who have co-founded this. The mix of our team is we have seniors and also juniors. So when I just started this company, I was just 26. Now you can imagine my age. So the thing is that, and I have two senior partners, and we are two a bit young. And those two partners were married at that point of time. Now I feel how difficult it was the decision for them at that point of time, even though the decision for us was very easy because of our age. But having said that, initial stage was actually for us it was very easy. The thing is that we were having already our clients, and we have started through our own contacts in the initial stages, and from there our journey has started. So we never had any difficulty to get the clients, fortunately, and because of our relationship at the existing company and also through our contacts, we have started our business from there.
So the 16-year growth for whole life, what has worked for you? Was it a referral model for you, or would you have concentrated a lot on activities to get the next set of clients to engage with whole life?
Purely on referral basis, we could acquire the clients, and also we have adopted the technology at the initial stages of our clients. So we have designed our website at the beginning of our establishment, and through our website also we could get a good number of clients at the initial stages. So that is the second mode of getting the clients, but the primary was to get the referral from our existing clientele base.
So in this journey, how did you find clients reacting over a period of time? How did asset allocation work for you? Different cycles you have seen. How have you been able to manage investor expectations during this period?
From the beginning onwards, we have focused on the client first approach. So we try to understand each and every client requirement, his risk profile, and all aspects of the client. And based on that, and based on our understanding about the client, we generally structure the portfolio which is in sync with their requirements. So we set the tone at the initial stages only. And from there, we try to tune or fine tune the portfolio over a period of time.
So how have clients reacted, or how has your business got affected in 2020, which was a momentous year for all of us due to COVID?
Yeah, COVID is a real life experience issue for each and every one of us, and in particular in this investment world. But see, when we have started in 2004, even though we have started our journey in a very smooth way, but 2008 come, like we have faced like that particular turbulence, and from there we have been seeing a lot of volatility. So we have tuned to this particular volatility, even though the COVID is a new thing, but volatility is the same. So I feel that this is going to continue. This volatility will continue in the future also. Maybe not COVID, but due to any other thing. But we need to just withstand that particular difficult times and go ahead without losing any heart. And mainly we have seen that we need to be with the clients during the difficult times more. We should handle them in a proper way during these difficult times.
Lovely. So I'll just introduce my colleague Naveen here. Naveen is in our Hyderabad office, and he takes care of the whole life relationship from our side. So I will request Naveen to share his experiences interacting with the team.
I have been associated with the Whole Life since 2017. Those were initial days of my career. It's always pretty good learning experience with them. They have always been quite humble and polite with me. And one thing which I want to mention here is that they have always been more enthusiastic and making others understanding the importance of financial discipline. Their name, Whole Life itself, defines the kind of relationship which they want to have with their clients.
Thank you, Naveen, for that. Mr. Shantiraj, my last question, which I ask all our guests, is that how would you advise anybody who looks at the mutual fund distribution as a profession for the future?
No, I have no doubt in saying that we are here to witness a great leap jump in this business. And we took 25 years to reach this level. I think in next 10 years we might see a three level jump in this business. That is the optimistic way we look into. So even though there are a lot of regulatory changes, the margins are shrinking. So that is inevitable in the mass business. So I feel like there is a greater opportunity for anybody to take up or to scale up in this particular profession or business.
Mr. Shantiraj, we wish you and Whole Life all the very best. I think if you plan well, and that's what you have been talking about, if you have a whole plan well and you have a client first approach, which I can see from your conversation, I think we wish Whole Life all the very much success in the future. And it's been a pleasure being associated with you and your team. So we wish you all the best, and thank you for being a part of Big Leap.
Thank you, Mayank, for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you, and thank you, viewers. We will again come back to you with more such stories again in the future. Till then, take care. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.